It's me, Mario!
Welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Mario. It's going to be super easy and fun, so come join us. Alright guys, so let's get started drawing Mario. I'm super excited. Mario. This is the marker I'm going to be using.
That's nice.
And first thing we're going to do is draw the shape of his head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make his chin at the bottom of the paper, and it's going to look like the letter V. And then we're going to go up to make his jaw. So here I am. I'm going to come up straight like a diagonal line. I'm going to stop somewhere like right over here. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I made it look the same. And then from there, we're going to do his cheeks. So his cheeks are pretty round. And we're just going to make two curves. And I'm going to start on this side just so you could see that it kind of looks like the letter C. This part kind of looks like the letter C. Kind of looks like we're making a heart too. So then I'm going to do the same thing on this side, just backwards. So it's going to be like a backwards C. So there we have his chin, his jaw, and his cheeks. Then from there, we can make the top or the side of his face, like where his eyes go. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to curve in and then up. Kind of looks like a flower vase now. And then from here, I'm going to do the same thing just on this side, the opposite way. So there we have the outline of his head. From there, we could just do the little details of his face so we could see him come to life.
Yes.
And what we're going to do is we're going to draw his nose. And his nose is like a big, big, big oval. So that's what I'm going to do right in the middle of all of this. So I'm going to leave some space at the top, some space at the bottom, and just somewhere right here, I'm going to draw an oval. So there we have his nose, his big like clown button nose. And from here, we could draw his eyes. So right on top of his nose, we're going to draw his eyes. And his eyes are going to be almost like an oval. It's going to come up like a hill and return. And I'm just going to curve in the bottom a little bit more. So look, I'll show you guys. Kind of looks like a long oval. And we're going to do the same thing for his other eye.
So cute.
So there we have his eyes. And then from there, we could draw the details of his eyes. And what we're going to do is I'm going to draw like a half circle to the side.
Wow.
That's part of one of his eyes, and we could do the same thing on this side. With this design, we left some space on the sides. And we came here, touched his nose, and then we'll do the same thing for his pupils, his eyeballs. And then the details inside of his eyes are just little circles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle right here to the right, and I'll do the same thing on this eye.
That's so cool.
And there we have his eyes. Once we color it in, it's going to look super cool. So then we could do the cool part, which is his mustache, right? So what I'm going to do is from each side of his nose, I'm going to come out with something that kind of looks like a smiley face. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to draw something that kind of looks like a smiley face. And we're just going to go through his nose and then we'll come out the opposite way. I'm going to come here and I'm going to go like this. So it kind of looks like it would be a smiley face behind his nose.
Super.
And then from there, we could draw his mustache. So right under his nose in the middle, what I want to do is I want to start with something that looks like a smiley face or the letter U. It looks like a smiley face actually. So I did it right under his nose, right in the middle, same size, right in the middle. We could draw his mustache. So from here, we're going to draw a few more U's. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to draw another U to the right. And I'm going to draw one more U, but this U is also going to connect to the top of his mustache. So now we have one side of his mustache, and we're going to do that same design on the left, guys. Awesome. So there we have Mario's mustache. It looks so cool. And then little details on his face, just like that little U or smiley face we made, we're going to do it right on his chin. I'm just going to make it a little bit longer than this one. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm just going to end right under the next loop. And then we're going to draw one more right underneath, tinier. Those are just little details in his face. And then we could continue. All we really have left is his hat, his ears, and a little bit of his hair that shows. And we're almost there, guys. Hopefully you guys are having fun. Please give the video a like. And we could continue. So we'll start with the top portion of his hat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a curve, a little curve, like a rainbow, or just like a little curve that connects the 2 points of each side of his head. And all we're going to do is we're going to just come out just a little bit more like that on each side. From there, we could draw the rest of his details. This is like part of his head and his hat. So we could do his eyebrows now because his eyebrows go a little bit into his hat. And what I'm going to do is right above his eye, almost the same size of his eye or the same width, I'm just going to draw a curve like a rainbow. And I'm going to curve up to his hat like this. And I'm going to do the same thing on the left side. And I'm just going to curve up to his hat. And there we have one of his eyebrows. And we could do the same thing to the right.
Okay.
So there we have his eyebrows. And then from his eyebrows, we could continue with all his other details. So I'm going to continue with his hat. So we continue this part of his head with his hat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a big curve, like the same curve we made, and just connect it. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to make like a little curve, like a hook or a letter C backwards. And I'm just going to curve over. I'm going to turn my paper actually because it's going to help me. I'm going to come over. And it's a little bit thick. It's a little bit wider. Come over. We're making like a big hill that we're going to connect to the other side. Just like this. And then that little hook, we're going to hook it like that. So we made 2 hooks at the end and just a curve like a rainbow. That's part of his hat. So from here, we could draw actually the big part of his hat, the big portion that comes out of his hat, which is a cool part too. So right in the middle of his face, we're going to come up, 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 up. And I'm just going to draw one tiny horizontal line. Super small, right? I came up straight from the middle. And I just made like a little horizontal line. I left a lot of space because his hat's pretty big. From this line, we're going to make a curve that connects to the bottom of his hat. So I'm going to come here and we're going down like a rainbow as well. Come down like a curve, 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 curve. And the way we're going to connect it is we're going to curve it like a hook. Curve it like this. That's his hat, and then we'll do the same thing on the left side. I'm going to turn my paper to make it easier. There we have his hat. It looks so funny right now because we need to fit other stuff like his ears and his hair. So let's do his hair first. From this curve that we made, we're just going to make another curve that connects his cheek. So I'm going to come from this point, and I'm going to make a curve that connects his cheek. Just like this. That's his hair, and we'll do the same thing on the left side. Just like that. And then from his hair, we could do his ears. So all we have left is his ears and the logo on his hat. Hello, that big M. So what we're going to do for his ear, from this curve that we made, we're going to come out and back down. Just like the shape of an ear. It's like a hill that comes up the top of the ear. And the side of the ear is a curve that we are going to connect to his cheek. Kind of looks like one half of a heart a little bit. And then we'll do the same thing on the left side. Just like that. Wow. And the little details inside of his ear is right on his hair to his cheek. We're going to make something that looks like a half circle. So this kind of looks like a half circle. We did one side of a circle. And then the other side of the circle we're going to do on this side. So I'm going to come across, try to make it the same height. And here I'm just going to do like a half circle to his cheek. Just like this. So we have 2 half circles. And one more part, like the fold inside of our ears, we're just going to come from this point. I'm just making a curve line that goes out to his ear. It doesn't touch his ear, but it comes out. And it just goes like this. Little details in his ears, and then we are done. The last and the funnest part is his big logo. So let's do that. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to make the circle and where the M goes inside. So I'm just going to leave a little bit of space on top. And I'm just going to make a little bit of a circle that comes and connects to the bottom of his hat. So I'm going to start on this side, and I'm just going to come down. I'm going to curve like I'm trying to make a big circle. I left some space on top, obviously on the sides, and then we're going to do it the same to the left. I'm just going to turn my paper. So there we have where his logo is going to go, the big M. And for the M, what we're going to do is right in the middle, as we have been doing, right in the middle even of his hat, I'm going to come down in the middle of the circle. I'm going to make just a little point. That little point is going to help me make the M. And for the M, the top of the M looks like the letter V. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make 2 diagonal lines that go the opposite way. So here's one that's going to go to the right. And then I'm going to do one that goes to the left. So that's the top of the M. then we're gonna do the bottom part of the M to connect it all together. It's gonna make sense, I promise. So what I'm gonna do is from this point that we stopped at, this top point, or the top of the peak of the mountain, I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna make a little point. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the left side. Okay, this is where the bottom of the M is gonna be. And it's also 2 diagonal lines, so we could come down at the same point, make a little point, and make a diagonal line to connect the 2 points. I had a point here and I'll connect it here. That's the bottom of the M. It looks like 2 V's for now. But what we're gonna do is, this point is like a mountain, and the peak of the mountain is here. All we're gonna do is drop down and make the long part or the side of the M. Do we see it coming along? Then we'll do the same thing to the left. From here, we'll do the same thing to this part of the M, and all I'm gonna do is come down from the peak, and I'm just gonna make it a little longer than this one. Why? Because I'm gonna connect it with 1 diagonal line.
Okay.
So this one's just a little bit longer because I'm gonna go just like this with a diagonal line. There we have that side of the M, and now we can do the other side of the M. Connect it just like that, and there we have the M for Mario. I love it. Hopefully you guys found it easy. I hope it was easy, and I hope it was fun. So all we gotta do now is color him in. So grab whatever markers, whatever crayons, whatever color pencils you have, and let's have fun. Alright guys, so there we have Mario. He looks so cool. He has the little top part of his hat, like the little brim that covers his eyes. We did his eyebrows, his hair, everything, and the little logo, the little M on his hat. So hopefully you guys found it fun and easy. We are also doing other Super Mario characters like Princess Peach, Toad. It's going to be super fun, so stay tuned for those videos. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!